What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here today we have a 2016 Jeep Patriot, and it was shuddering and like jerking a little bit. When we were driving, it would happen usually around 1,000 to 1,500 RPMs, and it started happening a lot after a while of it being parked. The battery was dead. We had to jump the battery, and it had no check engine lights. All we had was just mechanical shudder. You know, it was like as soon as I would accelerate, it would go and it would like lean you back and forth just like that. So we found a quick and easy fix for that, and it turned out all we needed to do was get our spark plugs and replace the spark plugs, basically do a tune-up on the car, and now it drives with no hesitation and no shudder, nothing like that. I'm driving it right now after it's been fixed. I don't have video of it before, but I can tell you, you would totally notice it. Even if you didn't know about cars, you would think it's the transmission, especially these with the CVT transmissions, but it's not. It was just simply a spark plug change. So we replaced all 4 spark plugs, and now it's driving like a charm, driving like a dream, driving like new. So I'll show you right now what to do and how to do it. Here we go. So here we have the troublemaker. Well, this is what we had to do. First, you pop the hood open, right? Of course. Okay, and in order for you to remove the spark plugs, you're gonna need like a T25 or a Torx screwdriver. Remove this screw, unplug this, pull this out, and you're gonna expose your spark plugs. You need a spark plug socket, which is a 5/8. Put it down there, loosen them up, take it out, put the new one back in, then put it back together. And that is how simple and easy it is to fix a shudder on a 2016 Jeep Patriot. So the job's already done. I wasn't able to record that part. I just wanted to give you an update in case it helps someone. Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. And hopefully I'll have more videos of these coming soon. Take care.